Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video we will do some craft works using earbuds, paper and other easily available materials. Here we have started with a paper and inserted some earbuds. Now it looks like a turbine. We should make a hole at the center, and at the center we will add a small stick, and now it is like a turbine. Now let us take a straw, and another straw is taken and rolled like a circle, and at the center we paste another straw like a cross, and it looks like the wheels of a vehicle. Yes, this is going to be a bicycle. Here also we have taken some straws, and I have rotated, and I have taken a circular plastic sheet. You can also use a card paper, and some rectangular strips of paper is also taken, and we can rotate it like a spinning wheel. Here I have a bottle, and I have inserted it onto the bottle, and then it's a bubble maker. Here a bottle is decorated so as it looks like a honeybee, and we have to add the head and wings of the honeybee, and this is ready. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.